This is Keith. I'm making some scallops, clams, mussels. These is called green mussels. They're really good. And I got some onions. I got some purple potatoes. I'm going to slice them and put them in there. And I put my seasoning on. I put some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, a little salt, and some Old Bay seasoning. Some butter to the pan, melt it down, and put some garlic. I have some garlic here. And then I brought chives and onions, Philadelphia cream cheese, and this is how it looks. And what I'm doing, I'm gonna put my garlic in the pan. I'm gonna put this sauce in here. And the sauce is, what we'll do is just to make a sauce, and I'm gonna pour it right over the top of this. I'm gonna cover it with aluminum foil pan, lid for this pan here. This crab-based seasoning. It's just crab-based. It's creamy. And I got some squeezed garlic. That's what I will use. Let me just open this up. Let's just see how that looks. Okay, it's delicious. It has a salty flavor, so you add less to it. You don't put a lot in it. Sauce, I put like a third of a cup of Parmesan cheese in it. And this is the sauce cream. And let this cream cheese melt down. And then I'm gonna add my heavy cream in it. It's gonna be like a creamy, very creamy, seasonable sauce. And once it's ready, it's gonna be right on top of that. And the key is I put a touch of honey in there. Not too much, but just give it a little different taste. My sauce is ready. I'm just take it and I'm gonna just pour it on. Just gonna pour it right on top of it. I'm gonna put it right on top of this. I put onions in there, I put potatoes, and this is butter. And I'm gonna put this down for a minute. I'm gonna scrape the pan, get all the goodness out of that pan. And this way, I'm not gonna stir it up. I'm not gonna do nothing to it. I'm going to add some parsley on top of it, just to dress it up a little bit. You add parsley, or you add a little paprika, and bring the color out. And you make your food look pretty. If your food look pretty, people eat it. Whether it tastes nasty or good. So, but seafood, nothing nasty. Some smoked paprika here. This will add it to it. This is gonna make it look, see? That's it. When you're done, after 3 minutes, this is what it looked like. So I'm done. The juice is in, butter, garlic. Let's try a piece. It's a piece of shrimp. I'm gonna dip it in here. That is sweet and real good. That is good. Let me sprinkle a little more on top. And when it's done, if we have fresh parts of the advertising, it'd be nice, you know. Before I let y'all go, I'm going to try. I'm going to try this mussel right here. This one. It's sitting in all that juice and the onion. And catch it like this. Catch it like that. This is it.